way better.
So full panel replacement in the end. I know in the video prior to I said I wasn't going to go with this direction, but I had no choice. I did a lot of research online and I saw that people did this full panel replacement, and I know I did have some sections here that was decent metal, but trying to piece this and this bottom half together with the existing, I knew that I wasn't going to be able to hit this arch as clean as this panel was, you know. So this was a no-brainer for me, and I'm happy that I went with this way. It saved me so much time, less welding as well, especially because if I was to be welding, I would have been welding up in this area down here. Probably the existing metal that was here probably would have warped, and then working down here doing the same thing, then this would have warped. This would have just looked like a total mess in the end. I used my Lincoln MIG 140 welder. Initially I had 035 wire on there, and from the scrap pieces that I had cut off this panel, I went to the store, also bought some scrap panel pieces just to practice welding on, but the 3.5 wire just burned through way too much. So I went to the store, picked up some 030 wire, practiced on that, dialed the machine pretty good, and the welds came out pretty decent. For flux core and the thinness of this metal, I think it's pretty good. What really helped out for me, especially to make the result better, was just taking my time with the welds, not overheating them. There is a small section right here where I kind of did get carried away because it was getting late and I didn't really want to have to be doing this until like 2 in the morning, which I ended up doing in the end anyways. Kind of got carried away because I did burn through it, but I ended up just building on top of those welds after that, and I kind of did warp the body a little bit, but nothing that I don't think that body filler won't be able to take care of. So mosquitoes already, but everything came out good. Pretty happy. I do have to do the other side as well. I'm not going to do a full panel on the other side. I'm still going to try and do the initial way that I wanted to do, just replacing that small section, just because the amount on the arch is pretty minimal over there, so I think that I'll be able to control that a lot easier and be able to kind of dial it down and get it nice and clean and uniform with the existing arch that's there. Yeah, this is done. I have to clean up the welds, of course. I'll grind those down. I'll try and get it as flush as possible with the body, get it nice and uniform. And I need to close up the wheel wells as well with some additional welding, nothing too major. And then after that, I'm gonna start painting. Well, no, actually, I'm gonna start working on body work, and then I'm hopefully gonna get to paint. I'll let you guys kind of see a couple color options that I have in mind. There is 2 right now that I have in mind, so I haven't thought of a 3rd one yet, but once I get that 3rd one posted and I probably start working on body work, and let you guys kind of vote on that. I know my following is very small right now, but honestly, it doesn't matter. If anybody out there watches the video, feel free to vote on it. I will definitely take it into consideration. Also, be sure to subscribe if you do throw in a vote, so you can see if your color choice in the end was one that was selected. So that probably will wrap up today's video. I have some other things that I got to do, but I hope to be working on the other side tomorrow. I wanted to just get this video up for you guys so you can see where I'm at right now with the car. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video, and please do hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.